Do you want to create a Cash App account? So you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Cash App and tap install. Once installed, tap on the Cash App icon on your phone to launch it. On the welcome screen, enter your phone number or email address and tap next. Check your phone or email for a verification code and enter it in the app to confirm your identity. Type in your first and last name as it appears on your official ID and tap next. Choose a unique cash tag username that others will use to send you money. Type in your zip code to help Cash App verify your location and tap next. Enter your debit card details to link your bank account for sending and receiving money. Create a secure PIN or enable Face ID to protect your Cash App account. Allow Cash App to send you notifications so you never miss a payment or transaction alert. Your Cash App account is now fully set up and ready to send and receive money instantly. That's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.